Hello guys, very good morning one and all. Welcome to PVR Info. This is Ram. In previous session we discussed about active listening skills, right? Is active listening a bad habit? Right? I have given the lot of examples with that. Parrots are the best examples for active listening skills, right? And some positive points and negative points about active listening also we discussed. Now today I would like to make you understand with a new topic, interview skills. Maximum people they ask about interview skills. A lot of people they approached me for approximately and maximum they are looking for interview skills only for getting jobs. Why interview skills are important? What is the meaning of interview skill? Interview means we know. Interview is a process that is also called recruitment, right? In that recruitment, interview is one of the skills, right? One of the main parts in recruitment process. Now, interview skills are very important for cracking jobs, for getting promotions, for making us improve in our that means every organization is looking for recruitment, means the employee who is capable and who has the abilities, who has the confidence, who has the soft skills, who has the interpersonal skills. Everything is matter here. In that interview skills they observe, because if you have that interview skills means you can easily get success in our life. Means it depends on these skills only. In this interview skills means not only about getting job, whether you can survive in the future in an organization or not, they also observe. Means they need only long term employee, lifetime or long term or permanent employees, every organization is looking for. So in that process interview skills are very important, not only for getting job, for also getting survive in an organization. In this interview skills, recruitment is a process. In this recruitment also there are different recruitments are there. Let me explain you. After that I will start with interview skills. In this recruitment process, if you are, let me explain you with different three examples here. Now here MBA, if you are an MBA graduation students, like post graduation students, right, you know about recruitment. If you did SAP HR, if you do, okay, HR, in this also recruitment process is there, and IT recruiter, in this also recruitment process is there, right? Now let me explain you with three different scenarios. Now if you are an MBA postgraduate person, you know the way, you know about recruitment, means this is just a subject knowledge you can easily get. Means recruitment is a process to hire an employee in any organization, that is called recruitment. Here we knew that. But if you are from MBA background, as an HR, I am looking for only HR, okay. If you are looking for an HR position, so here recruiter means you have to speak about and you should know about screening and scheduling. These both are very important. Screening means you have to filter the candidates for interview process, right? And you have to send an emails for scheduling candidates. And here scheduling means interview schedule and panel schedule, both are there. Interview schedule and panel schedule means how many people are coming for interview tomorrow and how many recruiters are there for taking the interviews. The two processes are there, and how many are coming, you have to send the schedule timing interview, that is also one of the recruitment process. This is about MBA graduates, like MBA postgraduate people. If you are working for an HR position, that recruitment process is like this. Maximum some companies it is a contract based, maximum this is a contract based job in maximum companies in software. Then package also somewhat normal, not a high or not less, it's a medium, right, like 25,000 or 20,000, like this. I can't predict that, but maximum we can't get more hikes as well, right? And here if you are SAP HR, now let me start with SAP HR. It's a very good process. Of course 3 are very good process, but SAP HR means we can get good hikes, because SAP is an application software which develops the websites and which develops the organization or which develops the projects. Here SAP HR, in this again recruitment process is there. This is a software process, means this is a only you have to use the normal screening and scheduling. This is a normal process. We need more skills like effective email communication skills, effective communication skills, everything it needs, it requires MBA. But here SAP HR means you need technical skills much better. If you are from SAP HR background, here recruitment, payroll, personal admin, travel management, leave management, lot of skills are there. In this modules are there. In this HR, this is the recruitment process for making us create the employee IDs. Employee IDs. You have to create employee IDs here. Employee ID creation is a process here. Hiring. T codes are there. PF40. Like if you give one T code, we can easily get employee hiring. Right? Employee ID creation. We have that employee IDs, right? Every company assigns us. Their employee IDs means here why we are creating from SAP HR only. We can give normally, right? Like serial wise. But here if you use SAP HR software for making employee IDs, we cannot forge here or we cannot continue because computer it automatically generates one code that is called employee ID. For example, if 5-6 members are there, I am the first person, then okay, I am getting only one. Okay, employee ID is something, country code is 40 and company code is different, continue with it 001 something. Okay, and next person may get or may not get 002, maybe he will get 0010 or 009 or 200, like that they make it because computer automatically generates the code. We cannot predict and we cannot make it. That is called SAP HR. Here by using SAP HR it is very secured, right? And if you are working for any projects, now here as I said, here recruitment process is there. If you are HR recruiter in SAP HR, two types are there. If you are working for any project, your roles and responsibilities are totally different. If you are working for some project, totally you need to work on the project, means technical work. But if you are working as a recruiter in a company like HR, now there you need to prepare employee IDs. In that scenario, you need to use this SAP HR software and T codes, PF40 or something you need to give, then you can get employee IDs, employee ID numbers which are secured, right, protected. And here this is about recruitment. In this SAP HR, lot of different things are there like payroll also, personal admin also, and payroll means salaries and pay slips. Indian payroll and US payroll both are there, we can easily understand, right? And here SAP HR in this module also, if you want to take recruitment, that is a one special module is there you can take, and by using SAP HR, why I am putting this much point out in this means you can get lot of hikes. If you do the SAP certification, we can easily get lot of hikes also. We can get permanent positions in an MNC company, right? This is also very important. But this is a technical process. If you are interested, then only you can easily observe that, you can easily understand the process, right? Here also you need communication, but compare with MBA postgraduate people, this is okay, fine. And here IT recruitment, as we know that maximum people they run consultancies. In that consultancy, everybody says about I am a recruiter, I am a HR recruiter. Like that, they speak about themselves like a designation is a recruiter. But here, the recruiter means IT recruiter. A lot of call centers, like BPO companies are there, MNC BPOs also there. They do just, they call the people and they test the people and they do schedule the interviews and all. And they check their resumes and they observe that, and they just take the first round of interview like telephonic or something, whether they are eligible or not, like that they feel, right? That is IT recruitment. Maximum people are there, they run consultancies, right, by their own organization. Some people are there like recruiters, they are called IT recruiters. They just screen the people, means they just call the leads, and they, okay, which type of requirement you need and which type of, you can say here clients also there and normal requirements also there. If you are talking to clients, that is also as a recruiter we can contact, and okay sir, we are from some consultancy, sir, some XYZ consultancy, how many requirements you need, right? We have a lot of requirements, sir, and which type of, which positions you need and how much you can afford, how many people you need, how many employees, and okay, where is the location, and when should I schedule the interviews. Everything we can easily talk to the client. And if you are talking to person, you can filter the resumes and you can just, right, you can just talk to the person. Okay, here is the interview in this organization. If you are really interested to go there and take the interview, you can just go there and you can, like that. If you are talking to the person as well as client, both you are scheduling, that is called IT recruitment. This is about recruitment process, and in this recruitment process, interview skills comes. This interview skills recruitment is, these are interlinked. In this interview depends on position and depends on company and depends on hardware or software company or business, whatever is there, whatever you are interested, you need to prepare the resume in that format. And main thing is resumes only, curriculum vitae, it is also called resume. Only the one resume is the one which is mandatory for every field and which is not changed, which is never changed, because always resume remains same. We don't need to change the resume format or anything. Means if you are creative person, you can just add some things and you can just put some borders or different, but rules are same. The resume should not have borders, and resume should have at least this much length and this much distance, word by word and line by line, this much distance should be there. These are the skills we must follow, and I will let you know about resume writing as well and interview skills as well. In interview process, a lot of skills are there. That is one of the recruitment process. In that recruitment depends on company, they may follow different way of process of interviews. Means if you take a BPO company, they just follow the way like aptitude or something, depends on their requirement. That is also very important. Okay, I will let you know about this requirement and recruitment process in brief. And in this, what are the rounds are there in interviews, and depends on company, rounds may change and they give more preference to some people like communication, they give some people like only technical, some people may give only academics, like that. It is differ from different companies, right? I will let you know in the further videos about recruitment process, and in that what are the rounds are there. If you are going for software companies, what are the recruitment process, and if you are going for any other companies, what is the recruitment process and what are the rounds may happen, and how to get into that and how to survive in the company, right? Which type of question they may ask in interview sessions and how to answer, and how we have to maintain our personality development. Our personality should be very important. Body language, eye contact, facial expression or tone of voice, a lot of things are, we have to dressing style, standing position, everything, and greetings, everything is important here in a recruitment process, right? So I will let you know about these all things about these rounds or companies and which type of which type of process they may just follow, and everything I will let you know in the further videos. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel PVR Info. Thank you so much.